Good morning to all. Yesterday class discussed about the divisional algorithm concept, then Pythagorean principle. Based on that Pythagorean principle, discuss about the simple theorem. Now today class discuss about the based on the division algorithm some problems. See some basic problem. See the first problem. Find the number of positive integer less than or equal to 2076 and divisible by neither 4 or 5. And find out the solution. First, number of positive integer less than 2786. The corresponding variable is neither 4 or 5. First, you can write it as what is the elements of divisible. What is the value of divisible by 4 or divisible by 5? This concept, if applicable for your probability concept P of union basic and A union, that concept you have applying and find out the solution. Now write it as first what is the divisible by 4 values. Okay, first write it as let A equal to set of all. A is nothing but number of positive integer. A is nothing but x belongs to n such x is the corresponding value divisible by 4 or 5. The x is nothing but x less than or equal to 2076, x less than or equal to 2076 and the corresponding divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. A is nothing but x set of all x belongs to n. The corresponding x is nothing but the less than or equal to 2076 and the 2076 divisible by 4. Now come to the second one. Write the letter. Let b equal to same but divisible by 5. So write it as let x belongs to n such that x less than or equal to 2076 and divisible by 5 and divisible by 5. Now applying by inclusion principle, that is a basic concept of probability. Write it as modulus A union B, modulus or set of basic modulus A union B to modulus A plus modulus B minus modulus A intersection. By inclusion principle, write it as modulus A union B equal to modulus A plus modulus B minus A intersection B. Now write it as modulus A. Modulus A is nothing but the set of all A value. Set of all A is nothing but what is the value? Set of all x belongs to n. That x is nothing but x less than or equal to 2076 and divisible by 4. So write it as in terms of A equal to A is nothing but x. So x is less than or equal to 2076 and the 2000 is divisible by 4. So A is nothing but 2076 divided by 4 plus similarly write it as what is the b. B is nothing but same set of all x. X is nothing but x less than or equal to 2076 and divisible by 5. So write it as similarly A plus similarly B. So 2076 divided by 5 minus here A intersection. Generally A intersection means in probability rate is a multiplication. So A into B. Simply concept. So write it as generally what is the given problem? Number of positive integer total value 2076 divided by here set of all A notation what is the divisible by value 4. Similarly set of all B notation divisible by 5. So multiplying 4 into 5 denominator value 20. Now simple calculation we get the solution. So 2076 divided by 5. How many whole numbers is there? Write it only whole number. There is no write it positive number or negative number. Only the modulus meaning is only write it a positive number. So 2076 divided by 4. How many 4s are than 2076? I think 519. Okay, 519 times divided by 4 we get the value. Similarly 2076 divided by 5. So 2076 there are 415 times are divisible by 5 in the 2076 minus in 2076 divided by 20. How many times is there? Maximum possibility is 103. In the point term will be neglected. So 2076 divided by 20. Now simplifying we get 800 31. This is for number of positive integer divisible by 4 or 5. Divisible by 4 or 5. Now we calculate the number of not divisible by number also. So not divisible by number also, how to calculate the total number of value, you can subtracting that value. Okay. So therefore here total number of integer value 2076. Now we find out the number of positive integer neither or 4 by value 831. So we get the answer is finally number of not divisible by 4 or 5 value 1245. This is simple problem. Find the number of positive integer less than 2076 and now divisible by 4 or 5. First you can write it as set of all A value, set of all B. Now you applying the basic probability concept, find out the answer. Okay. Now see the next problem. Very simple problem. Come to the second problem. This is first problem. Come to the second problem. So next problem is find the number of positive integer between, one second. Find the number of positive integer between 1976 and 3076. Find the number of positive integer 1976 and 3766 between these two values. Between these two intervals, integer value, how many positive integers are there in the, you can find out the solution. Come to the solution part. As usual, previous class also, previous problem, how to find out the values A, B. Okay. So first question, that are find the positive integer between 1976 and 3776. So first question is divisible by 19 value. Between these two values, find out the divisible by, find out the divisible by 19. Come to the second part, number of positive integer by 13. Number of positive integer, so number of, divisible by 19. Now second one, number of not divisible by 19. First question, find the positive integer between these two ranges, then that are the divisible, the corresponding integer value divisible by 13 and divisible by 19 values. Divisible by 13 and divisible by 19 values. Okay. Now come to the first part. What is the first part? Divisible by 19. So write it as number of positive integer by 13. Number of positive integer by 13. So here between these two ranges, generally mathematics, higher ranges subtracting smaller range, higher value minus smaller. The same concept here. What is the higher value? 3766, lower value 1970. Subtracting these between these two. So the positive integer by 13 equal to, here maximum value 3076. The corresponding 3076 divisible by, what is the first question? 13. So 3013 minus lowest value 1096, 1976 divisible by between 19. So 3766 divisible by 13 value. Simply now we get the answer is approximately 290. Now 1976 divisible by 13, we get the values minus 152 times. Subtracting, we get the answer is 130. So divisible by 13 between the ranges 3766, 1976. Between the ranges the number of positive integer for divisible by 30 number is 1038 values. Okay, 1038. Then come to the second question. What is the second one? Number of not divisible by 19. Number of not divisible by 19. So second one, number of not divisible by 19 between these two ranges. So first you have find out the what is the number of divisible of 19 be these two value, then corresponding that value you can separating we get the not divisible value. Okay, now find out the number of not divisible by 19. First you can find out the divisible value first. So divisible value 376 total value in the subtracting 19. Okay, number of positive integer not divisible by 19, first one. Number of positive integer not divisible by 19 first. Between the ranges less than or equal to 3000, so maximum value 3706. So by divided by 19, we get the answer is 3076 minus 3076. How many 19 is 198. So we get the answer is 3568. Okay, this is for number of positive integer not divisible by 19. Number of positive integer not divisible by 19. Come to the number of positive integer not divisible by 19 between the ranges. Problem minimum value 1976. So 1700 minus 96, then the divisible by value 19. So less than or equal to 1976 minus the 1976 divided by 19 value 104. We get the answer is 1872. Therefore, so we have find out the not divisible by 19 in the range of 3076. The second one, number of not divisible by 19 in the range of 30. But we have find out the between these two ranges. So separating 3776 number of not possible minus number of not possible 1976. So separating final value, we get the 19 value 3568 minus 1872. So separate panna we get the answer is 1696. Okay. So today class discuss about the discuss for the two simple problems for division algorithm. Division algorithm. Class. Okay, thank you.